Do you find yourself rushing around a lot, just always chasing your tail, maybe even forgetting what you were going to do next, just feeling overwhelmed, anxious, jittery, and just stressed all the time, and just to do it all over again the next day? Do you find that meditation doesn't really work for you, or you just don't find the time, or you just can't sit still? Well, then you're in the right place, because what we practice on this channel is mindfulness through movement. And that is something that you can take into your everyday life while you go through your everyday tasks, through your everyday movement, and apply it so that you can help yourself enter a parasympathetic nervous system state that helps you relax and reset and feel calm at any given moment in time. Going through these very simple moves helps you anchor yourself and ground yourself in the present moment, and it helps you calm and reset your nervous system, because you won't be able to keep rushing like that forever. Your nervous system at one point will shut down. You may already be losing out on quality of life and simply enjoying your life. So if you can learn those principles and then take them into everyday life so that you can actually enjoy your life, because everything becomes easier when you are in a relaxed state. You will start enjoying things again because your body feels relaxed and everything feels like it flows. So I'm Katerina. I'm a registered clinical counsellor and a registered dance movement therapist, and I live here in beautiful Australia. And in my experience, this just works because we can anchor ourselves so easily in the present moment when we've got something to focus on, like our body. And it's even easier when we keep moving because there's more to focus on and more to find out about our body. And we actually get to know ourselves through that as well, which is so wonderful and so exciting, actually. And I get it. You might be saying, but I'm so busy and I'm already doing yoga and I do my walking, and maybe you're even doing sitting meditation already. And why shouldn't I just keep doing that? That's great. You know, I love to go for my daily walks and do other forms of exercise. But what we do here is something that you can translate into your everyday life. Because you're focusing on movement, that's what you can focus on in your everyday life as you move through your everyday life, doing everyday tasks such as cooking, showering, going to work. The primary goal of this exercise is to reach that parasympathetic nervous system state, to calm and relax and ground yourself. Whereas when you go to yoga, your primary goal might be to stretch your body, or when you go walking, it might be to get your steps in. Once you've done this and you integrate what you learn here, you can then also apply it to while you do yoga and while you do your walking, but with that primary goal of keeping yourself in that relaxed state, grounding and anchoring yourself and tracking your body sensations as you do it. And working some muscles in your body and stretching can be a byproduct of going through these movement sequences on this channel, but the primary goal is always to anchor and ground yourself in the present moment, focusing on your body sensations, getting to know yourself on that level and finding out what it is that you need to do for yourself in any given moment in time. And this is where the shift happens. So the primary goal is really to keep yourself calm and grounded so you can move through your everyday life, keeping those principles, applying those principles, and really enjoying that life that you're living, because those everyday tasks that you're doing could be quite enjoyable if you can help yourself achieve and maintain that relaxed state. So imagine investing 5 to 10 minutes every day for a week to follow a simple movement sequence on this channel so you can learn to ground yourself and anchor yourself in the present moment, focusing on your body sensations, taking that into your daily tasks, and then feeling how you are in a calm and relaxed state as you move along, and feeling your nervous system regulate and your digestive system working at an optimal level, and even your metabolism being on fire because your cortisol levels remain in check as you have regulated your nervous system. And you may also feel that you start ruminating less, that your focus is getting a lot better, and that you start enjoying your life. So don't miss this opportunity while your body still has the capacity to recover quickly, because the longer you remain in a stressed state, the longer your body takes to reverse the damage that has been done. So I look forward to seeing you in one of the videos on this channel. See you then.